Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to move a message to spam on Messenger. So first thing is open the Messenger application. Now once you're at the Messenger homepage, you need to tap upon the conversation that you want to transfer it to the spam. Tap that, and here on this page you need to tap on the eye icon on the top right. Tap on that. Here on this page of the profile, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the report option. Tap on report. This will give you all these options below. Now once you're at this screen on your device, you need to tap on other. Tap that and it will give you this option. From this option, you need to choose the spam on the second. Tap that. So here all you need to do is tap on submit report. Tap that. With that message will be moved to the spam right away. Hope this video was useful on how you can move the message to spam. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates.